Now you can instantly create stunning ebooks, reports, and white papers in 3 simple steps. Sqribble is the only ebook creator you'll ever need. Pick a template, choose from 50 eye-grabbing designs across 15 profitable niche categories. Add instant content, don't have time to create content. Just enter a URL and watch Sqribble automatically fill your pages with fresh, ready-made content. Customize and publish, pick a color theme and customize. Then add, delete, or edit pages, headlines, images, paragraphs, text blocks, dividers, buttons and links, features, bullet lists, or call to action areas. Hit generate and you're done. The fastest and easiest all-in-one solution for jaw-dropping ebooks on demand. Sqribble is perfect for product creators, list building, bloggers, coaches, consultants, teachers, authors, digital marketers, entrepreneurs, Facebook ads, and many more. Here's what's included: Sqribble software, click, design, profit. The complete ebook design studio equipped with a state-of-the-art, drag-and-drop user interface. Create stunning high-quality and professional ebooks in minutes with award-winning templates. Agency rights, freelance, clients, cash. The complete solution for starting your own profitable design agency. Comes complete with a commercial license to sell the ebooks you create, plus a ready-made website to attract clients. Training center. Learn. Leverage. Liftoff. The complete training program with interactive modules to help you get the most out of the entire Sqribble suite. We'll show you the power of Sqribble with step-by-step tutorials and support. Get instant access to Sqribble now and click the link below.